Yes, it means that your rewards from the previous season won't be vested. So it's really good for you. You can spend your tokens for images generation, or you can do whatever you want with your rewards. You can stake it.
Yeah,
It's up to you.
yeah. In short, there is nothing lock or nothing vanishing. It's 100% your reward claimable on the claiming day. You can claim it and do whatever you want.
Okay, guys, I think we are ready to go. We have 70 members in the audience. So
Yeah. By the
can I
way,
just
guys,
confirm you can see my screen?
just wait. Let me share the event announcement in chat, and here it is. And yeah, I can see your screen right now.
Okay,
Meet
great.
the new
And
creative assistant in Sogni Studio Pro. Let's go.
okay, thank you. Let's start. So, hello everyone, one more time. Today, Alejandro was supposed to host this session, a session of Render with me, but unfortunately, he got sick and you will have to spend this time with me. I hope you don't mind. I also hope that Alejandro will be able to join us in 2 weeks because it's always great to have a creator, a developer in sessions like this, at least from time to time. So someone who really knows how to use given a particular feature to its full potential. So I think that's always super valuable. So let's hope he will be able to join us as a host in 2 weeks because next week we are going to have our wipe code session with me. But we will keep you updated. I've actually been testing our AI creative assistant, for the past few days, and I have to say that it works really, really well. It's especially useful for people who don't know which model or which feature to use or how to achieve, for example, something specific, but still want to create something cool, for example, with their photos or animations. So it's really, really great. So yeah, listen, I quickly built something for you using codecs. I think I am addicted to cloud codecs and every AI tool right now. Yeah, that's really funny because a few months ago I didn't have any idea about how to use it, but right now I am really advanced. So really recommend. I can really recommend that to you to test it out, to check it out. So it took me 2 hours to prepare this website for you. So I am really happy to present that. Maybe I might turn it into an article later. We'll see. But I really like the format of it because it's better than a typical presentation. But generally, I built it only for visualization for you. So yeah, as far as you know, I didn't plan to host today's session, but I love to be here with you. I am with you because I really enjoy our session. So still, I have something scheduled, so we need to keep it within that time because I have only 40 minutes. So let's go. Let's start. So I know that many of you probably haven't had a chance to test our Sogni Creative Assistant because it's currently only available in Sogni Studio Pro. I am not even sure if the update is live yet, but yeah, I will let you know. It should be probably live within a few hours. Yeah, I have to ask Alejandro to double confirm that because he made some tweaks and pushed out our new update. So I will let you know after our session. But still, it's really good to present it because it's worth knowing how to use it. It's very exciting. So maybe let's start. What can we do with this agent? Because as you can see, you can upload, for example, any image. Maybe let's jump quickly here. Okay, here you can upload, an image and simply describe what you want to change, what results you want to achieve. And honestly, you don't even need, let's say, maybe ready-made prompt for that, because you just write what you want. Yeah, preferably in English, since I am not sure how well other languages are supported yet. So maybe I should also double confirm that. But yeah, English should work the best here. But for example, let's say that you want to change, clothing from white to red, and our creative agent will handle it. It can even choose the specific model, generate the prompt for you, and select the specific style you want to achieve. And after that, it will give you the result on the right side. Here, yes. So here, yes, I will show you in a while. So I can always show it to you how it works live later, but maybe let's first go through a few steps I've already prepared for you. What's really important, you can use both, manual mode and our AI agent at the same time. So if, for example, there are things you want to do yourself, you can do it together with our AI agent. So I don't know if there are things you would rather let the agent handle, like, for example, choosing the right model. You can just ask it. And it's also great because you can ask maybe it about our apps, Sogni apps, and what's actually best to use here, because it has a built-in knowledge base of our products. So it's super cool, really. It's amazing. I am really impressed. I would love you to test it and give us your feedback after testing our AI creative agent. And so, yes, as you can see, for this example, I used an image of Trump because actually I know that you guys like examples with him. So why not to use it here? And what I did, I uploaded the image. I just dropped it to our chat section here. But I am going to work through it step by step. Maybe it can be easier for you. And our AI agent made a short analysis of our image, like, for example, including the file's name. You can see it here in my example. And also the agent gives you suggestions for what you can, for example, do with your input image. So I can say that this is especially helpful if you are not feeling very creative. So it can inspire ideas for you, maybe let's say instantly. And so yes, here we have the analysis of our image. You can see, here is my image. Here is the analysis. Here we can see the, let's say, maybe creative buttons for us to pick. And what else? Here, you can see the section where I uploaded what I would like to do with my image. So in my case, I used something funny because I found that the balloon style is very popular right now. So I created a balloon style prompt. I can say that it looks very realistic, but also quite funny, like maybe a shiny, inflatable, version of Mr. President. So maybe I'm going to drop the prompt for you right now. And also I'm going to share this website with you because I already uploaded it to GitHub website. So maybe it can be a good opportunity for you to explore it further later after our session, step by step. Okay, the button prompt. is here in the chat. So feel free to use it and create your balloon version of yourself, of your friends. Up to you, of course. And what is going on right now here? That our agent processes, the image. So in my case, you can see it here. It noticed that the aspect ratio didn't match and asked if it should adjust it, or maybe it should use a different one, a different size of, different ratio, yes, of my image. So you can choose. I don't know if you can see it because it's a bit dark here, because when I took the screenshot, I had chosen one option. So this is why it's a bit dark here right now, but of course it's in neon colors, so it's very easy to pick one. So yeah, in general, you can choose from options. You don't even need to provide a particular ratio or size of your image. Just type what you want to receive, what kind of ratio you would like to receive, and our agent handles everything automatically. So I can say that it's a huge time saver for us. Also, it's important that it works very, very fast. Seriously. It took me less than 1 minute to receive the edited image, output image. It's probably because of the fact that it used Quen image edit lighting version. So as far as you already know, it's super fast and the results are amazing. So right now we can see our president, not our president, Mr. President Trump in a balloon style version. And again, you can see here that our image editing is completed. And here you can see new options for us. So the agent suggests that the next steps for us, like for example, animate it, try a different style, upscale it, or maybe change the angle of our image. So it's super, super useful. We have multiple options, what to do with our input image, what to do with our video. If we are not creative enough, we can just simply ask our creative agent and it will figure something out for us. Yeah. So, I even added this, maybe not. Here it should be better visible for you right now. And here I also added the slider, so we can compare before and after effect. Look at that. Here, I love this effect. Notice here that our original image was low quality, and I didn't enhance it on purpose because just to show you that the agent can handle even, poor inputs. So I didn't even need to upscale this image to produce my balloon style version of Mr. Trump. Look at that. It's really, really amazing. Of course, if you would like to enhance this image, upscale it, or maybe make it more cinematic, you still can go with that using only a text command that you have to drop in the chat section. On the top of that, you can also create a video from the generated image. So here again, you can use ready-to-use prompt where personally I asked Trump to promote Sogni. I also specify the duration of my video. You can see the prompt here. Maybe I can read it. So the prompt is a balloon version of a charismatic Trump, says everyone should immediately start using Sogni's AI agents. They will handle everything for you, absolutely everything. Incredible. And it's really funny because I will show you that in a minute that it even generated a similar sounding voice effect. So it's really, really cool here. And yeah, also sorry for that the effect. My article isn't perfect here, but literally I did it in 2 hours from the sketch to the final product. So you have to forgive me because I have no more time to make some tweaks. So this is why, but of course I'm going to polish it further and drop the link in the chat for you to follow my steps that I've already prepared for you. So yeah, thank you for your patience. And what else was my video? Okay, here. So yeah, I specify the duration of my video. We can also add the tone and style of our video. You can even describe the style and the voice that you are going to use, of course, when you generate sound and video based on starting or ending frame. So yeah, I wanted to mention that it's also really great that you can use the generated image as starting or ending frame for the video, because it's very useful that the agent can show you the real-time progress, for example, what's generating in a specific moment. So here you have a very smart preview of what's going on right now with our AI agent. So you can check here what's generating, what's queued, completed, or maybe also what's failed. And it can be super useful for us when working with multiple outputs. So when you wrote a lot of comments in the chat, no worries, because they won't be lost. You can have a quick preview here in this section, and when our agent is generating something for us, in the meantime, you can just press the button and have a clear preview of your outputs. It's super cool, yeah, because after generating video, it again suggests new ideas for us, like maybe different scripts, variations, different visualization. We can also extend our video. So I can say that the possibilities here are basically, endless. And if you run out of ideas, the agent will suggest new ones for you immediately. You can even ask for some new ideas. So, okay, let's check out our final video. I hope you'll be able to hear the audio. Wait a second.
They will handle immediately start using Sogni's AI agents. They will handle everything for you. Absolutely everything. Incredible. Immediately start using Sogni's AI agents. They will handle everything for you. Absolutely everything. Incredible.
Yes, and literally I have to say that it was my first output I was given. So I have to say it's really amazing. I didn't even, have to revamp it, polish it further. So it works really, really amazing. So I have to say that I created all of this morning. So in about 2 hours, starting from exploring my agent, and I also was able to build the whole website using CEXs. So I have to say that it went really, really fast. I was also a bit stressed because, I don't like being unprepared for our sessions, but I hope it turned out really, really well. So yes, it's amazing that we can polish it further. We can even create a new video. Whatever we like, we should just drop in the chat using our creative agent, and it will execute it perfectly. So right now we have around 10 minutes, so I can maybe just take a look our chat. Do you have any questions regarding what I presented a while ago? Oh my God, Basit, I love your prompt. Yeah, my show image, it's so funny. Yeah, but amazing. I am really happy that you've already given it a try to test my prompt in practice, so I can't wait to see your profile pictures. It can be a very interesting experience, you know. But yeah. Actually, you know what? Maybe let's not waste time for live generation because it will take us a while. But I can show you something what I also built yesterday. So I just have to stop sharing my screen and change it to another one. Your screen. With a Sogni coffee, iced coffee probably. So yeah, I hope you can see it. Just let me know in the chat.
Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay, thank you. Don't look at the ratio here because I also haven't got enough time to revamp the website as much as I wanted to do that. But I am going to publish it because we are going to publish our blogs regularly for you with some step-by-step tricks or tutorials for you ready to follow. We are also going to create some ads based on the blog content, so it's going to be very interesting especially for our community members and potentially new users, right? So I don't know if you saw that, but yesterday I published a video using starting and ending frame technology, starting and ending frame tool, available in, I believe, our every app in Sogni Create, Sogni Studio, Sogni Studio Pro, and also available for iOS users. So here is the video. Maybe let me play it with sound or without it. Never mind. I'm going to, okay, let's give it a try. Hope you enjoyed the video. And right now I have to prepare a coffee for myself. I may before you there. But yeah, the idea was to show the process of starting and ending frame because apparently many users are not aware how to use them. So it's very, very easy, but you have to remember that it's essential to connect the frames properly, correctly, and write a specific prompt how we can potentially connect them and create one consistent transition here. So generally, I use my GPT chat or Gemini app for that. So I can really recommend that to you because for me, it works really, really good. And yeah, for that I use LTX because 1, 2.2 can also work here, and of course it will execute it perfectly too, but it's slower than LTX, so it's more time consuming, so this is why I prefer to use LTX option, image to video. I am sure that most of you are already aware how to use our frames, but just to refresh your knowledge, because I am going to organize another contest based on starting and ending frames process, because as we said during our office hours, we are going to revamp our creator programs a bit. I mean, the content that you produce, it was created based on your ideas, because it's amazing to show our, for example, newcomers, our prospect users, how to create something using Sogni tools. So this is why I decided to create some blogs for you. So I would love to see more creations like that with our tools, maybe with your favorite tools. And I really think that starting and ending frame, it's very easy to produce. So maybe let's go over the whole process very quickly. Yeah, it's very easy. Sorry for that. There's some of the screenshots are cut, but I had no time to polish it, so forgive me. But I'm sure that you can see it. So here we have our starting frame, and here we have our ending frame. And the only thing we have to do is to connect them both using one prompt. So this is exactly what I did with every frame. So I generated around 11 images. I think so. Yeah, I had 11 of them, and I did that step by step using starting and ending frame. But right now you can use our creative AI agent to create transitions for you. So you can upload, let's say, 3 pairs of your starting and ending frames, and then you can just simply write the prompt or write or describe what you would like to create, to receive, and then the agent will execute it. So you don't need to even prepare your prompt, because our creative agent will do it for you. So yeah, I added here the process of creating. So for some of them, it can be really useful, because every single frame was very, very extremely easy to produce. So it didn't take me a lot of time to produce the whole video, but I really love the result, because because I do love coffee, never mind if it's iced coffee, it's hot coffee, I just love it. So yeah, this is why I chose coffee. But the whole process was very easy to create. So it's perfect for marketing shots, for promoting something. So it should be used regularly, for companies that use marketing agencies. So right now we can be creators for them, that. So yeah, I really love the process. It was very easy. So I think we should definitely use it for our next context. For those of you who use Sogni Studio Pro, remember that we have our mixer, and you can stitch the clips automatically. You can adjust the number of frames per second. You can tweak clips, tweak the speed of our clips, and you have more options to explore here. Generally, I have to ask if we are going to support this option, this tool in Sogni Create. I hope so, because it's really useful, and we can save a lot of time thanks to that. But for those of you who need more control, remember that you have also the option, the timeline view, and you can control the speed, the length of your videos manually. So you can tweak the speed. You can see the changes in real time. So it's a very, very cool option. And yes, it's basically everything on my end, what I've prepared for you for this session. I will let you know when our creative agent will be available in Sogni Studio Pro. I am sure that it should be available in a few hours, so we will keep you updated. And regarding the rest, yeah, we are going to release our new contest based what I was presented to you today. And yes, thank you for being with that. We are ready to drop our secret phrase right now, but let me just take a screenshot of our audience. One more screenshot, maybe, let's say, because I am pretty sure that Saul has already done with that. Let me only review the comments in the chat. But I think I see no questions. I see only a message from Manchester, but unfortunately I can't translate it, so I will do it later. Okay, dropping our secret form right now. And okay, let me drop our secret word. Let's keep it very simple. It's coffee. Our secret is coffee.
What a coincidence. I was about to say a secret phrase and I decided it should be a coffee bean. But yeah, coffee. So guys, secret phrase for today's render with me is coffee. And definitely, as usual, the session was really amazing. No matter what Natalie creates, it's always wonderful and amazing. And we all get something new to learn every time when she's on stage. And I'm sure you all love her a lot, love her creation a lot. And definitely, she is doing an amazing job. And thank you, Natalie, for doing render with me, even with the tight schedule. Thanks for hosting it.
And I am about to drop my website links, my blog links when they are ready. So yeah, thank you. Stay tuned. Bye.
Okay, guys, coffee is the secret phrase for today's render with me. Coffee. Thanks, Natalie, once again. See you guys next week. Bye-bye.